Been a long time coming. Yo, know you did me bad. When I see you, don't be running. We gon' do him like some trash. How my chopper start dumping. If no money is involved, then hell no, I'm not coming. It's not shit in my hood. I turn nothing into something. When you broke, you want a gram? Hell no, I'm not frontin'. Chopper tall and I'm small. When I shoot it, I be jumping. Treat that boy like his daddy, do something bad and I'm thumping. If my chopper like to eat, I see my op and it's crunchy. Why you acting like a jug star? Boy, you fluffy lump. I'm eating oxtail on the island and goddamn this shit bust. I feel like Cardi, she's a hoe, that's for sure. I'm not cuffing. Drop your low and I'm gon' push up to the block. I'm not ducking. On the island eating oxtails and rice. This shit bust. I told her push up to my penthouse. Stop talking, bitch, stop fussing. I just hopped up out of foreign with a foreign Draco Russian. Yo, I could get you knocked off, little bro, just press a button. All these beds up in my jeans, when it walk look like I'm straight. All this food up on my plate, I'm getting greens and they touching. Yo, alright, gang. Yo, alright.
Hey. What's good, man? Man, gots to nowadays, bro.
Bro, I would have been recording in the casino. You just can't even record in there, bro.
But I know, but I wanted to record this motherfucker audio.
Oh God.
This nigga did a muffler delete and thought I would have recorded.
Oh God. You gotta go crazy with the muffler.
Man, if I would have known we were taking the Q, I would have brought the fucking 360 camera, told you to stop at Walmart or something. Got an SD card. Oh, no, they closed. What am I talking about? Nah, I was looking at some shit. There's a 360, or like a, not a 360, but like a front and back.
It's sounding good sometimes.
Chat, what the fuck? I'm just kidding.
Oh, nah, it is sounding good sometimes. Especially like, you know, in closed areas, kind of like this.
What?
Holy shit, though, bro.
Holy fuck.
That helps the boost, though. Like, that's how you overboost your shit, though. Like, hitting that bitch.
It's like a little nitro.
It is like like your shit can overboost. Like, you can be getting too much. Like,
Blow your shit.
blow your turbo. That's what I did last year, bro.
Oh my God. Oh shit. Damn. Oh my God. What the fuck? Holy shit.
That was a light ass pool. Like,
Yeah, that one, yeah, but not that turn.
Yeah, that turn was driven that bitch.
Oh my God. Nigga thinks he's in F1.
That bitch.
He said I'm in a Porsche GT3 RS. Nigga, stop playing. I can take this corner at 90.
Definitely can't take that turn at 90, bro. For sure. Gotta be chilling though, you know. Police love to get around. When we get around South Louis,
Man, fuck the police. We don't give a fuck about them motherfuckers. I'll run for them niggas again, cuz. Stop playing with the boy.
yeah, if I got a place on there, I ain't gonna lie, I'll put my number on it.
Wow, man.
Like, them niggas don't pull to the grid.
No, that's why you gotta get the phantom plate, bro. Nah, not be caught for nothing, I promise you. You going to jail. Do I?
Oh, that bitch is spoiling the fuck.
Holy fuck.
Too much boost, bro. It's too cold, bro.
You going to jail. Holy shit. It's cold as fuck for one. And two, this is pushing, boy. Low-key don't think I'm fucking with this shit no more.
Boy, ain't no way,
Low-key,
boy.
I think you built it to a point where I can't fuck with it no more.
Boy, ain't no way,
Fast,
boy.
bro. It's not even that fast yet.
I don't know. Maybe it's just like it feels different in a passenger than when driving. But your shit feel like a spaceship, my nigga.
No way, bro.
Especially with the exhaust. I'd be like stuck to the seat, my nigga.
No way.
Yes, bro. I swear to God, hit this shit again, bro. I promise you.
The niggas hit that shit.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy shit.
That baby sounded great, bro. Like I went on there and told him the other day. That shit was sounding nuts.
I need to show you a tunnel. Me and Johnny got a specific tunnel that we go to for this specific activity. It's a pretty much one of the longest tunnels in Omaha. Yeah. Exhaust Pro, get your mufflers done there at Ace Pro Mufflers.
Right now.
Little shout out to them, Ace Mufflers. Go to them if you're in Omaha. Nigga,
but I swear.
Does it? I want to drive this bitch, bro. You gotta let me drive this bitch, bro. You gotta let me do one pull, bro.
That bitch do be fucking pussy.
Lil Subi? Oh.
Should we catch his ass?
Fuck it. Fuck it, let's do it. Fuck it, let's do it.
Lil Subi want to smoke?
Fuck it, let's do it.
Fuck it, let's do it.
Lil Subi? Oh, hit that UE. Get up out of there. Oh. What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck just happened, bro? I don't even know what the fuck, bro. Whew. Oh, I haven't been to this fucker in a minute. Aha!
It's me again.
Back to driving. Bro, I'm about hungry as fuck. We about to go get some Freddy's. This shit about to slap like a motherfucker.
Freddy's.
Man.
Oh, niggas wanna see a pull. How many points to the right?
You said what?
How many points?
Oh, shit. I think that was 25.
Like 25,000.
You're going to jail.
Tell me, have you ever witnessed M1 killers? Ever spent them double back because the clip went empty? We don't shoot our houses, we walk down, hop out vehicles. What the fuck, nigga? But you know about move your folks so you can have
Put that bitch in sport mode.
out with that Drake, must be OVO. What the fuck, nigga? How you wanna be on the team? You ain't down the score. How you wanna be EGE? You ain't got no moves. Tryna handle up on smoke, gotta move on foes. I don't know, ops desperate, it been hard to score. I'm on a yacht, poppin' shit, she wanna drive my boat. Ay. Once that alcohol kick in, then here come my throat. Ay. Rockin' Gucci just to float, I used to be broke. That when we were kicking doors. Blow, 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 blow. 5, 5, 6 do that. I'll rip, I wanna do that. The rim is where we shoot at. I broke them on my heart, I'm sorry, but I ain't mean to do that. Told that come on, let's bang after that, show me the new track. Look me in my eyes, tell me, have you ever witnessed M1 killers? Ever spent it double back, cut it, went empty. We don't shoot our houses, we walk down, hop out vehicles. What the fuck, nigga? Look me in my eyes, just look me in my eyes and tell me that's how this shit go. What you know about moving your folks so you can handle smoke? Night owl with that Drake, it must be OVO. What the fuck, nigga?
A little cat obsessed.
I put my finger on the trigger when I'm feeling iffy. I got the devil on my back, I think he out to get me. I got some niggas in my backyard that's trying to kill me. I think I'm paranoid, this Girl Scout got me tripping. It's my life, so it's on me how I wanna risk it. I bumped my head a couple times, now I move different. Don't put your hoodie on, you look too suspicious. Don't put your hands on us if you plan on living. Already caught a case, so I'm moving different. This AR got a kick, gotta shoot it different. This 223 got a scope and shoot it from a distance. And I keep that bitch on me, so don't think I'm slipping. I think some niggas in my back are just acting faithful to you till I get home. Trust me, homie, feeling patient. I might do a demonstration off GP. I ain't shot none in like 4 years, I ain't sent a hit in 3. Don't let dirt first go to your head, ain't nobody slime as me. I'm the one from around the corner where they snake Martin Luther King, extra aggressive. Out in traffic, cause Hank ain't in the back seat. And where I go is cars trailing, cause reckless ain't driving me. I get mad when I look around and my members ain't what they supposed to be. Whole war going on, I'm stuck in the cage, it drove me crazy. 30, pass me that drink. Your bitch ass out my face, unfortunately, I'm CEO and the top shooter for my game. My grandma told me to keep my
I need to learn Trump so I can start pulling out Trump. Hit him with like.
He's gonna put a,
Trump would be like.
he's gonna put a cockroach in that shit. Cockroach from under the fryer.
Be like, hi, can I get it? A number 2 with a large fry. This nigga just banged the curb.
I ain't hit the curb. Go check it, nigga. I guarantee you. Let's go check it. You gonna see if I hit the curb. The curb. Nigga, the curb, boy.
Hit a nigga with the K, turn him to a ghost. Hit his face with the toaster, turn his bread to toast. Burn a pussy with the heat, turn his head to roast. Hollow tips hit up close, turn his egg to yolk. Yeah, I fry nigga. How much women being caught from trying to buy a nigga?
I feel like young kings is shit. Dude, I don't know, it just feels so awkward recording out in public. I ain't gonna lie. Especially in my hometown. Like, it's nothing like what New York was, I ain't gonna lie. Bag secured. Got the drain too. Now I gotta go back to the crib. Go back to the crib. Get ready for Yair to get home.
Make sure niggas go tune into the TikTok account, man.
TikTok, Instagrams, Snapchat,
Kory don't got nothing.
YouTube.
Follow me on real life.
Real life, man. Follow the nigga real life. My shit's all on here. Has 2 hours.
Yeah,
That's 197. Follow Kory in real life. Bro, we're gonna do a Gibadum though. I'm tired of that Q50 logo on that.
Let's go do it.
Back.
Run up.
So
Let's go.
So what do we need?
We need. Come on, let's go. Let's go. I'll show you. It's easy as fuck. All we need is like a little wire.
You wanna hit the ball real quick?
Oh yeah, actually,
Did you? Like, I don't even have nothing. This is just.
I don't have nothing either.
Oh, I mean, we can hit one.
Hit the little bow bucker.
We hit one.
Hey, hit your little dance. Let me see it. Hey. Hey. Okay. Hold on. Give me. Oh, what's good with you, cat? Nah, don't run, nigga. Man, this nigga hates being on video, bruh. Just come here, bruh. Oh, he disappeared. What the fuck? Where the fuck he go? All right, fuck. All right, yo. So we're on the way to Walmart right now. We need a fishing wire, and we need fuck. Hold on, let me look, cause I forget what all we need. Nigga, I get a shotgun. Nigga, I'm recorded. Wait, where we going? Oh, okay. Hard as hell, bro. Bro, look at this nigga fucking Yair shit Q, bro. First of all, we got this new shit. Look at that. Carbon fiber with the RGB lighting. He got the aluminum understrut.
I got that off Amazon.
He got the red sport bumper.
You got a paint match too.
He got the paint matched. He got the headlights looking good.
I like making good.
Hood looking good. Look at these wheels, boy. Look at these fucking wheels. With the big ass Firestone Firehawks. So good ass traction. He got the mirror caps. Tint.
Fucker.
You can barely see through that motherfucker, boy. Unless you get close, boy. Chrome delete.
I need a wing neck.
And then the back, which is my favorite.
I'm finna do this.
He got the F1 bumper light.
Yep. They call that a what the fuck? They call that a rear diffuser.
Yeah, rear F1 rear diffuser. He got the Axel-back exhaust.
Facts.
And then he got which we're about to do.
It's a chrome delete right
We're about to take. You want to take these off?
These.
I know, but what about this?
No, that's cool.
What about this?
That's cool.
Okay, so then we're about to take off these ones, along with this.
I just want that Infiniti logo on the back. It's that.
And then, yeah, bro, that'll be clean. We need to get you that
4-inch
Phantom plate.
exhaust tips.
4-inch exhaust tips. Look at them fuckers.
Them bitches huge.
Look at them fuckers.
Put your whole hand in that bitch.
Bro.
My hand. Kinda.
Bro. But we need to get you that Phantom plate, bro. So when we're recording, we could just...
It's gonna look so much better. It's gonna look so much better because like the car's supposed to be all black, but it got like this little.
Bro, just imagine with the Phantom plate, the carbon fiber, and then the camera mount, your rear is gonna look fucking insane, bro. It's gonna look, bro. It'll be one of,
especially when I get the wing too.
bro. It'll be one of one.
Oh God.
Damn near.
Oh God.
Like at least around here.
For sure. I'm gonna do a lot more things. I'm finna.
Oh yeah, a lot more in store.
When I get paid, this is the next thing I'm fixing, bro.
Yes, bro. And
I'm gonna get this shit paint matched to the car color.
Yes.
By Euro Sports.
Yes.
Did that shit up there?
Yes. Okay,
I'm
you
gonna get
snap.
paid
You
matched.
snap.
That's when I get paid next week.